Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Finally, this could be the cheapest Samsung smartphone with 6 years of updates. The Budget King Samsung Galaxy A26 renders published. The camera block is designed in the style of the Samsung Galaxy S10. New design and phone specifications are mentioned here. Let's dive into the video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Images of the upcoming budget smartphone Samsung Galaxy A26 have appeared online by a reliable source. The device combines the old design of the front panel, with a large chin, and a front camera in a teardrop-shaped cutout, with a completely new design of the back. With a camera block in the style of the Samsung Galaxy S10 flagship, the main camera will be designed in the same way in the future Galaxy A36 and Galaxy A56 5G. This news was confirmed by a renowned leaker Mystery Lupin on X. According to preliminary data, Samsung Galaxy A26 will receive a single-chip system, Samsung's own Exynos 1280 chipset, and the RAM capacity will be 6 GB. The device will receive the latest One UI 7.0 interface, based on Android 15 out of the box, which will provide a convenient and modern user experience. It is already known that the Samsung Galaxy A56 and Galaxy A36 will be updated for 6 years. It is possible that the Galaxy A26 will also have the same long-term software support. In the camera department, the new Galaxy A26 will receive a triple camera setup, including a 50-megapixel main camera, 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and 2-megapixel macro shooter will be included. The battery capacity will be 5000 mAh, with 25 watts fast charging speed. The Galaxy A26 will be available in white, black and green, and looks similar to the Galaxy A56 and Galaxy A36. However, it differs in the U-shaped cutout for the front camera, while the older models have a hole-shaped cutout. Insider Arsène Lupin has previously been noted for a number of leaks, which were later fully confirmed. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.